Hello everyone, I'm your friend Anurag. I'm back again with another interesting fact which we will experiment it here using real life objects. So let's begin. For this activity, we would need some cardboard, two sticks, some string and some marbles. Now we will have to cut this cardboard like this. After this, we will also have to cut this cardboard like this so that this cardboard can be joined right here. We have joined all these cardboards and now it looks like this. Now we are going to poke some holes on each of these pillars with this divider. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are poking this hole so that we can join these sticks on these pillars. Now we will attach the string to the marble. Now we will apply glue gun. Now we will let it dry. Now I have joined all these marbles to the string and it should look like this. Do you know what is this? This is a Newton's cradle. I will show you it's working. Can you see it? When the first marble is moved, the last marble only moves. There is no movement in the middle marbles. It happens because the force exerted by the first marble travels across the middle marbles and ends in the last marble, resulting in the movement on the end marble. Let's try it with another marble. Now let's try it with 3 marbles. If you like this video, then drop a like, share and subscribe. Till then, goodbye.